Okay, here's your homework help for tonight. I was asked to do two problems, number 4 on the front side and number 9 on the back. So here's what it looks like for the front side, number 4. So you have to read it very carefully because we're just finding the area of the triangle, which is just that shape right there. So I know, since it's a triangle, that my formula is A equals base times height divided by 2. The tough thing is going to be finding the base, which is this piece right there. I know that this is 34, and 34 is the whole distance here, so this is 10, and this is 7. So I'm going to take the 34, and I'm going to subtract 17 from it, and I get 17. So I know that's my base. My height's going to be this, which is equal to that, which is 17. So at this point, all I'm going to do is multiply 17 times 17, and I get 289. And I want to divide that by 2. So when I divide it by 2, I'm going to get the area, just for this shape right here, is 144 5/10 centimeters squared. So that's the area of just that shape. Remember, you're not finding all the other shapes. Okay, number 9, you're finding the shaded region, which is these two triangles, but it doesn't, I don't want to find the two triangles. I want to find the big, so I'm going to take the area of the big rectangle, which is base times height. And since this piece right here is not shaded, I want to subtract that piece from the big piece. So that's what I'm going to do right there. So I'm going to do my work on the other page here. So first I'm going to find the area of the big shape. So I'm going to use these two numbers right there to multiply, and then I'm going to find the area of this piece and subtract it. So I actually got two problems to do. So the first thing I'm going to do is area equals base times height. My base is 8 inches. My height is 5 2/10 inches. So when I multiply 8 times 5 2/10, I'm going to get an area of 41 6/10 inches squared. Now I got to find the area of this shape right there. Well, if you turn it, it's a parallelogram. And you know that the height is right there because it forms a right angle, and that's the base right there. So all I'm going to do is multiply area equals base times height. Now again, we said my base was 6 8/10. My height is 2 inches. So at this point, I'm going to multiply 6 8/10 times 2. So I get an area of 13 6/10 inches squared. What you should notice now is I'm going to take the area of this first one and I'm going to subtract the area of the second one. So I'm going to say 41 6/10 minus 13 6/10. So if I get my calculator, 41 6/10 minus 13 6/10, I should get an area of 28 inches squared. There you go. Hope this helps. Remember, we have a quiz on this tomorrow.